In this video, I'm going to show you how to use landscape mode in Last Z Survival Shooter. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you've been playing Last Z Survival Shooter and been wondering how to put it in landscape mode, you cannot do that inside the game, but however, we can download an app from a Play or App Store to help us with this. So open up your Play or App Store. Then from here, do a search and then search for force rotation and then hit search. And here it is here, force rotation, auto rotate. So we want to go ahead and download and install this. This is from KF Software House with over 500,000 downloads. So go ahead and click on install. Then from here, we need to go ahead and open up the app. And then we need to do an age verification, just put in your age here. Now from here, we need to do a permission check. So we need to display over other apps and usage access. So click on to number 1 and now go ahead and enable force. And then number 2, click on the number 2 and then enable force rotation. Then from here, we've completed the permission checklist. Then from here at the bottom of the page here, we've got a start button. So click on that start button. And then general smart rotation will automatically switch rotation mode for each app. Then below that, it will say app set rotation mode. Each app individually, default profile will be applied when you are running all other apps and when your screen turned off. So go ahead and click onto the apps button. Then from here, we need to go ahead and click on the plus icon and select an app. So this will drop down menu. Go ahead and find that Last Z Survival Shooter. So it's going to be kind of near the middle of the page here. One thing I have noticed, it doesn't sort it from A to Z, so you just need to go ahead and find it. So I'm just going to scroll down. I'll actually pause this video and get back to you once I've found it. All right, here it is here, kind of near the bottom of the page. Now from here, I'm going to click OK. Then I'll say Last Z Survival Shooter. Now I'll say default follow system settings. So it will say portrait, portrait reverse, portrait sensor, landscape. So we could do landscape reverse or sensor, but I'm just going to go ahead and choose landscape. Now if I go ahead and open up Last Z Survival Shooter, I can show you it's going to be in landscape mode. Alright, so there you go, I'll put this in landscape mode.